Dear students, in this video, I show you the different parts of compound microscope. For this practical, you need a compound microscope, practical notebook, a pen, a pencil, etc. You know, a compound microscope consists of different parts. These are foot, limb, stage, mirror, diaphragm, body tube, coarse and fine adjustment.
Topics and activities. Microscopes, parts and their uses. A. The eyepiece, ocular, the part of the microscope closest to your eyes, through which you look. It contains the ocular lens, which makes the image produced by the objective's lenses larger. An eyepiece may be labeled with its magnification or bar, for example, 5x or 10x, meaning it enlarges 5 times or 10 times. B. The body tube holds the eyepiece in position over the revolving nosepiece and the objectives. The body tube may be straight up and down or slanted. C. The arm is the curved metal piece that holds the body tube in place over the stage and the base. D. The revolving nosepiece holds the objectives and allows you to change objectives while looking at a slide or sample. E. The objectives are the parts at the bottom of the body tube closest to the sample you are examining. Each objective has a lens and a tube-like holder, the mount. The longer mounts hold the stronger lenses, the high-power lenses. The shorter mounts hold the weaker lenses, the low-power lenses. Like the eyepieces, objectives also come in various parts. Microscope has several objectives, for example, 4x or 5x, 40x or 45x, and 100x. Some microscopes only have 1 or 2 objectives. F. The stage is the flat surface on which you put your slides or samples. G. The stage clips holds the slide in plate on the stage. H. Beneath the stage in all the besto microscope have a condenser having standard diameter of 39.5 mm, which collects and concentrates the light before it passes through the sample. I. The iris diaphragm is used to control the diameter of the cone angle of the light transmitted onto the specimen. J. The coarse adjustment knob is the large knob used to adjust the position of the body tube, allowing you to quickly bring your sample slide into view. K. The fine adjustment knob is the small knob used to change the position of the body tube by making small adjustments to the focus of your sample. Almost all of our besto microscopes have both coarse and fine adjustment knobs, but some have only one knob. L. The mirror, located beneath the stage diaphragm, increases the amount of light shining through your sample or slide. Sometimes we use lamp plugged into an electrical outlet instead of mirror or reflector. M. The base of the microscope is the heavy bottom part. It supports all the other parts of the microscope. N. Substage adjustment knob is used to move condenser up and down.
So, through this video, you learned different parts of microscope and their function. Number 1, foot. The microscope consists of a basal foot. Limb, a slightly curved part of microscope which hold the body tube. Stage, a square stage is fixed to the limb with 2 clips to hold the slide. Mirror, a movable mirror is fixed at the lowermost part of the limb. Its flat surface is used to direct the light over the object seen under the microscope. Diaphragm, it is present under the stage to regulate amount of light entering microscope. Body tube, which is attached to upper end of limb and can be moved up and down. It carries eyepiece at its upper and the revolving nose piece with 2 or 3 objective lenses at the lower end. Last one, coarse and fine adjustment. Coarse and fine adjustment screws are present at the upper end of the limb, which are used to focus with low and high objective lenses respectively. So, in this video, you saw compound microscopes are used to view small samples that can be identified with the naked eye. The samples are typically placed on a slide under the microscope.